Welcome to the channel, everybody. I have finally got my hands on a multicolor printer. I don't know why it took me so long to jump on that bandwagon. I've been dealing with single filament printers for a long time. I've had several Anycubics, I've had several Enders, and I am just exhausted from dealing with the mechanical issues of the printer itself. I know there's a lot of people out there like doing that kind of hobby and like doing that stuff. I am not one of them. I want to print. I want to be on the creative side of the things, and I get it. There's a lot of people out there that do some pretty amazing stuff that I've seen, but not me. I'm all about creating and wanting to print. That's the reason I got in this hobby. And so I finally got me a P1S. In fact, I love it so much, I've actually ordered several more, not P1Ss, but other brand names that I'll be showing on the channel later on. Besides the obligatory poop bucket and the risers and other little knickknacks for the printer. First thing I've been wanting to print with a good, decent printer is this really cool zombie head from Piuppi. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not 100% sure. But I've been wanting to print this since I've seen it on MakerWorld a long time ago. And I love how this printer actually printed it. I didn't change any settings on the printer. I just went with a straight profile and the print file itself. The only thing I did change was the support setting. I reduced some of the port settings because I wasn't really sure how hard the supports were going to be getting it on and off of there. But it turned out very easy. The only areas I did have problems on were on the mouth. Now, I think the reason the filament was glopping up or not forming right, it was because the filament itself was very old. I've had that green filament for like 2 years, and I've been trying to figure out something to do with it. When I seen this zombie head a long time ago, I said, that's what I'm going to use the green filament for, and it turned out really good. As far as prepping for the file itself, very easy, very self-explanatory. It was easy to assemble. Had no problems with it whatsoever. Everything went right in with where it's supposed to. A little glue, a little paint. All it was just a layering technique, you know, blacks, grays, greens, yellows, reds, browns. And I just would layer it on there, and I would take a paper towel and just wipe it and created like a different effect. Granted, I'm not the best painter, and I probably had no idea what I was doing, but it did turn out looking really good. And as you can see, like with the lights on and off, you can still see it very well. I love how the light shines through the thin portions of its skin. It just adds to the effect. Looks like he's getting electrified from whatever contraptions he's sitting on. Just a zombie head just coming out right there. I love it. It's so fun. And this is the reason I got into 3D printing, for stuff like this. So here's the final file of it. Here is actually it. Look at this. This is so awesome. This is not so awesome. Now, when I was younger, taking a 2D object and turning it into something 3D was something that I would think was like the Jetsons. And this is so cool that we have this technology right at our fingertips now. I love it. I'm embracing it, and I am just nerding out on it. And I can't wait to print so much cool stuff in the future. And now that the technology is taken off, with more advanced printers, I'm just like, I can't wait to see what the future holds with this hobby. Now you can see it looks pretty good. I haven't really finished it. I want to put some actually real hair, gray hair back here. Like he's been sitting on the stand for like a really long time. But yeah, look at it. It turned out really, really good. Now it wasn't really a multicolor print, except for maybe the little biohazard emblem, but everything else was very clean and smooth, and it looks great. It just turns out marvelous. Love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So tell me what you'd like to see me print next. I'm going to be just going through a plethora of things that I have already earmarked that I've been wanting to print for a long time with multicolor. And so with that, thanks for watching. Happy printing, and we'll see you next time.